Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Honda Pilot in neutral with a dead battery. First, understand that a dead battery prevents the normal electronic gear shift operation, leaving your vehicle stuck in park. Fortunately, there's a manual override. This simple process will allow you to release the gear selector, enabling you to move your Pilot for towing or to push it out of the way. It's a very useful trick to know for emergency situations. To begin, always ensure your parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any unintended movement. Next, look closely at the console around your gear shifter. You're searching for a small, often rectangular or square cap. This cap hides the shift lock release mechanism. Using a small flathead screwdriver, a sturdy car key, or even a pen, carefully pry this cover off. Be gentle to avoid scratching the plastic around it. Once the cover is removed, you will see a small slot or button underneath. This is your manual shift lock release. Insert your chosen tool, like a screwdriver, into this slot and press down firmly. You should feel a click or some resistance. While continuously holding this release button down, press the brake pedal and then move your gear selector from the park position into neutral. If you release the tool, the shifter will lock again. After successfully shifting into neutral, you can release the tool and replace the small cover, ensuring it snaps securely back into place. Double-check that your Pilot is indeed in neutral, then immediately re-engage the parking brake to secure the vehicle. Note that some newer Honda Pilot models with push-button shifters may have a different under-hood release procedure. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.